Let's learn how to sign up as a manufacturer on Sewport. To gain access to all the features and benefits of Sewport, on our homepage, go to the small menu in the header of the page. Click on Join as a Manufacturer. In the next window, point on Sign up for service providers and fill in all the required fields. And then, click on Register Now. After that, you will receive a verification link to the email address you provided. When you open the message, click on Verify Account. At that moment, our system will ask you to fill in the details about your company. First, you need to specify your company type. Depending on the capabilities of your factory or a studio, tick the relevant boxes. If your factory works both as a full-service and CMT factory, select these two categories and click on Next. In the next window, choose and add capabilities of your factory. Specify all the services you can offer to the brands. Tick the relevant boxes if you can help them to finalize their ideas, help them with creating new patterns, make samples, offer fabrics and trim sourcing, help them with printing, embroideries, and with bulk production. If you tick all the boxes, brands will be able to find you in our smart search engine system solely by the services they require. After that, our system will ask you to add your additional specialties. This will also help the brands find you in a more targeted search. For example, you can add the types of seams you work with, pattern making, grading, and digitizing services, whether you can help them finalize their sketches, if you can help them create CAD designs, tag packs, help them with size grading, or whether you offer fabrics and trim sourcing, whether you offer label packaging service. In the next window, it is important to add the types of garments you can work with. This way, you will also get matched with the brands looking for garments that you can produce. Tick all the garments that your factory can produce. In the next window, it is very important not to forget to add your minimum order quantities. To get matched with brands looking to produce those minimums, to avoid any time wasting. In this window, you can also add detailed description of your company. Now that you have added basic information about your company, you can add more relevant details in your profile section. In the navigation bar, click on Profile and add the type of machinery you work with, your company logo and previous work samples. To add images to your gallery, click on the plus sign and select relevant images to upload from your computer. Adjust the image for the size of the window. And when you finish, click on the Upload. To add more images from this window, click on Choose Pictures. Adjust the image size and click on the Upload. And perform the same steps to add more images to your gallery. On this page, at the bottom of your profile, you can add the location of your factory, and it will be added to your profile automatically. We strongly encourage you to be creative and take your time with this page.